Ladies and gentlemen, Peter here, back again with another music making video. Today we'll be making a lo-fi house or something like that. I set a tempo to 120 and I started making melody, and I think we can make something cool with it. Something really light, something chill, something really nice to listen, I hope. Let's just start making this. Also, if you want to join the giveaway, I'm giving away $30 gift card that you can use to get some sweet sounds at oversampled.us. So if you want to join the giveaway, you can just check the link in the description or the first link on the top in the comments, and then you join and maybe you'll win. I hope so. Not everyone wins, but someone has to. Okay. So I am a future-based dubstep producer, but I also am a lo-fi producer. I like beats. I've been watching Kyle Beats for a long time, and I woke up today and I saw a new video. I checked it out and he said he released this plugin, and I'm like, okay. Another plugin that I probably don't need. But when I saw what the plugin is capable of, I instantly got it and my mind was blown away. This is so good. Oh my god. So this is not sponsored, obviously. I'm just enjoying the cool plugin. So you start with a boring sound and you put this thing. This is called the sauce. Hey, check this out. Like the animation when you push the overall knob, it actually changes. That's really cool. It's before and after we put this. It's actually some chorus, but it's gonna be sounding really much better if we put this on piano or on something. Like there's a lot of presets. Oh, this one is cool. Okay, so I'm doing a little bit of the swing. As you can see, like this note is not delayed, this one is not delayed, but this one and this one are delayed a little bit for some swing, and this one are delayed, so it's like more natural feel. And then a guitar bass. Okay, let's just add some drums. Like change this a bit, like that. So this is actually like a snare. I want this to be more like a perk, so no snapping, and just fade this out. Okay, let's just add clap now. Okay, some hi-hat. This open one with the classic mode, no release. Maybe one more. Okay, what about delaying these hi-hats a little bit to the right? For some groove. Okay, let's make some chords, like a grand something. So what I've learned today by analyzing some chords is that when you do some like major ninth, and then you take this note, you take this note, you take this note, and you transpose them down. It sounds really big and really cool. And then we do the same thing here. Third, 7, ninth, transpose it, and then F sharp for some fullness. Then when we add this beautiful plugin, the sauce, and I like the lo-fi preset here. What just happened? Oh my god. That is so cool. That's cool. Okay, that is cool. So, okay, we need some ending chord. What's this key here of this? Oh, yeah, it's E. Nice, I like it. It's cool. I like it. Okay, so let's just add the bass line. This is not gonna fit, but that's a cool bass line. Yes, okay, so now we can add some vocals, right? I like to put some really atmospheric ambient vocals in the background, like a soul vocals or something like that. Okay, so I have the sample pack that is free, that is lo-fi, and because we need a vinyl crack, and I really like this one. The pack is called Daydreaming. It's a free one for lo-fi. If you want to get it, then go ahead and enjoy. Really in the background. Dun, 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 dun. And then we have to chop up these chords. Just an idea, I want to hear what it's gonna sound like. And then that's gonna be duplicated, but we are gonna end with a different chord progression. And here we have an E. Okay. Okay, maybe duplicate this piano because maybe we're gonna go for a different sound. Definitely we're gonna be using utility because we need to get rid of these. The sound in spaces we want to be like and quiet here. And let's do this here as well. And there we go with this lead. That's cool. I know it's a really simple melody. It kind of works, you know? Let's tweak some things here. I like that short delay. Maybe let's put another one. Oh, that is cool. Gee. Oh. That's cool. Wow, that is crazy. This one is crazy, but it's a little bit too much. And that delay is destroying the swing and the rhythm because it's getting like more like a lead than the pluck sound. But that is freaking cool. Okay, let's make this sound maybe less lo-fi-ish. I was always wondering how the people like as Flume did that, make really cold, they make like really cold supercells. And they're like with some filter movement, I guess. As far as I know, like this Future Classic, well, it's actually called Future Classic. Seriously, you're gonna be doing this? Really? Okay, you're gonna get frozen then. Why are you like this? Why are you doing this to me? let's duplicate this and create a new instance of bass. So I want like a bass line. Oh, so we do this and then we delay this one a little bit. So like really harsh. Sounds like shit. Reverb. I'm not sure about that hi-hat. That sounds dope. The ending, I mean, this thing is cool. Okay, let's listen to the whole thing. Takes off headphones, right? That's the moment. That's cool. Very nice. That's a cool track. Wow, oh my god. Cool, I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you learned something. Yeah, if you want more lo-fi and house or stuff like that, like beats, let me know. I love this. It is really cool. It's really fun to make. I know I've been making future bass and I know I've been making dubstep, but I also like making all sorts of tracks and I also like to try new stuff. So if you enjoyed, let me know, side and subscribe button, and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.